Do you want to control your money? Imagine being able to decide where every dollar goes and feeling confident about your financial future. A budget helps you do that. It's not just about restricting your spending, it's about giving you the freedom to spend on what truly matters. A budget is a plan for your money. It guides you towards your financial goals, like saving for a vacation or building an emergency fund. First, write down all your income. This step is crucial because it gives you a clear picture of how much money you have coming in each month. Make sure to include every source of income, no matter how small. Next, write down all your expenses. This includes everything you spend money on each month. Be honest and don't leave anything out. It's better to overestimate your expenses. Now subtract your expenses from your income. This will show you whether you are living within your means. If you have money left over, use it to build an emergency fund, save, or invest. You can save it or use it to pay off debt. If you spend more than you earn, make changes. Cut back or find ways to increase your income. Track every dollar you spend. It's crucial to know where your money is going. By keeping a close eye on your expenses, you can identify patterns and make informed decisions about your spending habits. You can use a notebook, which is a simple and effective way to keep track of your daily expenses. Writing things down can help you stay mindful of your spending. Or an app, which can automate much of the process and provide real-time updates. There are many free apps available that can help you manage your finances. Choose one that works for you. It's important to find a tool that fits your lifestyle and preferences, so you're more likely to stick with it. The important thing is to track your spending consistently. Regular tracking can help you stay on top of your finances and avoid unnecessary debt. Look for areas where you can cut back. Identifying non-essential expenses can free up money for savings or other priorities. Small changes can make a big difference. By making mindful adjustments to your spending habits, you can improve your financial health and achieve your savings goals. Creating a budget as a beginner can feel overwhelming, but it's a great way to gain control over your finances. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, set your financial goals. These goals include your short-term goals, for example, saving for a vacation, paying off small debt, and long-term goals, for example, retirement, buying a house. Understanding your goals helps you stay focused and motivated. Second, track your income list. All your sources of income: salary, freelance work, side gigs, etc. Use your monthly take-home pay, after taxes, for more accurate budgeting. Third, track your expenses. Fixed expenses. These don't change month to month, for example, rent, car payment, insurance. Variable expenses. These can fluctuate, for example, groceries, utilities, entertainment. Periodic expenses. These are less frequent, for example, yearly subscriptions, car maintenance. Use an app, spreadsheet, or pen and paper to track everything for a month. Fourth, create your budget. A simple way to categorize your expenses is by using the 50-30-20 rule, which is 50% needs: housing, utilities, groceries, healthcare, transportation. 30% wants: dining out, entertainment, travel, hobbies. 20% savings and debt repayment, which would include an emergency fund, retirement savings, debt payoff. Make sure your total expenses don't exceed your income. Fifth, set realistic limits. Based on your income and goals, assign realistic amounts for each category. Adjust where necessary, especially for variable and discretionary expenses. Sixth, pay yourself. First, prioritize savings by automatically transferring a portion of your income into a savings or retirement account before spending on anything else. 7. Review and adjust. At the end of the month, review your budget. Did you stay within your limits? Are there areas where you could cut back or save more? Adjust your budget as needed for the next month. 8. Use budgeting tools. Apps like Mint or EveryDollar can help simplify tracking. You can also use a simple spreadsheet or pen and paper if you prefer. Build an emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses to cover unexpected situations like job loss or medical emergencies. 10. Stay consistent. Budgeting is a habit. Stick to it, review it regularly, and tweak as your financial situation changes. Consistency is key to financial stability and growth. The most important thing is to start. Even small adjustments to your spending can lead to big improvements in your financial situation. So, what are you waiting for? Take that first step today. Your financial future is in your hands. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing your finances. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Thanks for watching.